Hi y'all, so I am here with my favorite cleaning supply products and a few of my favorite cleaning tools. So let me just get started because I have a few things that I need to throw in recycling before tomorrow and I need to get this video going. So the first thing I'm going to talk about, and you can see that I'm out of it, this is probably like my 100th purchase of this. I purchase this all the time. It's the Mr. Clean Gain Scent. So it looks green when it's full. And this is just a great multi-purpose solution. So if you want to use it, like if you want to dilute it and put it in a spray bottle, you can do that to clean up things. But this is my favorite. This is my favorite solution to mop my floors. It makes my whole house smell delicious. And I just really like it. It says it's great for kitchens, bathrooms, and other tough jobs. This here, I enjoy it. I like the way it makes my house smell. I think it does a really good job. It doesn't leave my floor slippery or soapy or anything. I think it does a really good job of cleaning my floors, and it leaves my house smelling so good. So this is my first and my highest recommendation. If you get anything, I highly recommend this Mr. Clean in the Gain Scent. It's the multi-purpose cleanser. Like I said, it's in the Gain Scent. My next thing that I'm going to recommend to you, and this is my second favorite cleanser out of all the things I'm showing you, and it's the Windex, and this is the multi-surface disinfectant. This kills 99% of germs, and this is in the rain shower scent. Normally I get the yellow one, which is just like a lemon scent. That's usually the scent or the one that I grab, but I thought I would give this one a try. It smells good. I love this because I can use it all over my granite counters. I have sealed granite counters. It doesn't do anything to my granite counters. I can use this on stainless steel, like my dishwasher that's behind me, my stove, my vent hood. I use it on my oven and my microwave, and I really feel like it doesn't leave any streaks. It does a really good job of cleansing. I like it to, you know, clean any kind of surface, hard surface like my granite, my windows, my stainless steel appliances. I really do think this is a good product, and I highly recommend it to you. I use it in my bathroom, all over my mirrors, and I feel like it does a really good job of not leaving any kind of streaks. So this is my second recommendation to you guys. The Windex Multi-Surface Cleanser. I like it also because it cleans, you know, it kills 99% of germs. I always try to go for the one that's the antibacterial. There is one, it's just the blue vinegar one. I don't think that one does any kind of antibacterial cleaning. So I always go for the yellow one or this one. Now, another favorite of mine that I love using is the Pledge Multi-Surface. This is what I would use all over my house to dust. I like to use this because you can use it on any kind of surface, but it's really good on wood because it dusts really well. And I don't like to use an oily type base like my Pledge. I prefer this one on most of my furniture compared to this one. This one I only use on my kitchen table. I like to condition my kitchen table. This one here, I like to use it on everything else. Like if I were gonna use it on my cabinets, I'm gonna use it on my wood furniture. Anything that's wood, I will use this because it doesn't leave an oily residue. I feel like it cleans, it dusts, and I don't feel like it leaves any kind of residue for dust to stick to. This here leaves a little bit of an oily residue. Actually, it does leave an oily residue, and I feel like things will cling to it. Dust clings to it, or dog hair, or whatever floats in the air. So this is only used on my kitchen table, but this is not a favorite of mine. I could go without this, and matter of fact, I have been going without this, and I have been using this. This is the Method Wood for Good Polish. It conditions and revitalizes. It's in the almond scent. It smells amazing, and I've really been enjoying this. I got this from the Grove Collaborative. I know that Target sells Method, but a lot of other people are picking this up. My local H-E-B grocery store sells Method. It smells delicious. I don't feel it's as oily, leaves as much of a residue as this does, but I do feel like it does a nice, good job of polishing wood. I use this right currently on my kitchen table. Another thing that I really enjoy is this Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleanser. This is in the Honeycrisp Apple. I like to use this on my granite counters. I'll use it on wood. I'll use it everywhere, but I don't feel like it does a good job on stainless steel. So this, whenever I'm cleaning, I use this, and then I will follow up like on my stainless steel with my Windex. And I feel like it does a good job of cleaning, but I feel like this is something that I prefer over this, just because this doesn't have the antibacterial that does. This is non-toxic, so I like using it around on my granite. So when my kids are, you know, eating or they've eaten or done their homework or on top of the, you know, or made all their little prints all on top of my island, I'll go behind them and I will clean with this, and I don't feel like I'm like inhaling fumes or, you know, doing anything bad to my home. So this is something that I use to clean all around my house. This Honeycrisp apple smells delicious. I'm almost out of it. In the future, when I run out of, I have a few more backup multi-surface cleansers that I had gotten from Grove Collaborative. When I run out of those, I will probably come back to this. I did enjoy the scent. Something that's a necessity in my home is these Clorox disinfecting wipes. I use this all the time. I wipe down all of my light switches. I will use this to, you know, wipe up messes from the dogs or on the floor. I'll wipe up my garbage can. I use this to wipe just everywhere. I use these to clean my toilet. Once I have cleaned inside the toilet, I wipe all around, you know, with several wipes. I will use this, and it's like a necessity in my house to have Clorox cleansing wipes, especially when you have kids and you have animals and pets. I want to wipe up something that I know is going to clean it. It's going to, you know, antibacterial. It's going to kill whatever germ. So these are purchased all the time in my house. I probably have about 7 jars waiting, you know, tubs waiting to go if this one runs out. Like, I have them in all of the rooms in my house. Every bathroom in my kitchen has that in the room. So I really, you know, I live by my Clorox wipes. All right, so next I'm going to show you some tools that I use. And a lot of people ask me about this mop that I used in one of my cleaning videos. It's a spin mop, so it's not one of the ones where you would step on it. I originally, and this Mop Head originally belonged to that one. So my mom had purchased a really expensive spin mop where you put this in and you step on it and it'll spin. Well, that broke. It ended up leaking, and then I ended up just getting this little system. I have another mop handle and head I had gotten from Amazon, and here is the bucket that it came with. It came with this, and it also came with one of these, but in purple. So I have about 8 heads. I purchased extra heads. Every time I mop my floors, like I just got done cleaning house, every time I mop my floors, I take the mop head off because you just pop it on. I wait till the next time that I'm gonna mop, and then I'll take it off, and I just put it to the side, and I will wash all, you know, like several mop heads together. So I don't mix this with any of my other laundry. But every time I mop my floors, I change out the mop head, and I feel like I'm not distributing nastiness around because it's a brand new mop head, and, you know, of course, new mop water and all that. But it's really cool. All you do is you stick it down into this thing, little receptacle, and then you just pump it, and it will spin all the extra water out into the little bucket, and then you just go and you mop your floors. So this here, I will link it down below. I got the purple bucket and the purple mop handle. I got that off of Amazon. Like I said, this one belonged to my old spin mop that I had gotten, but I enjoy this because I don't have to wring, I don't have to touch, I never have to touch the nasty mop head, I don't have to touch the nasty mop water. I just, you know, wring it out and like this, and it's good to go. I used to use Dyson vacuums. I've probably owned 4 different Dyson vacuums, and they say that it doesn't lose suction. It loses suction. The one vacuum that I have purchased that I've had for quite a long time, and I ended up liking the brand so much that I purchased a second vacuum upstairs, and just recently I purchased the same brand. I purchased a 3rd vacuum. I have 2 corded vacuums, one for downstairs, one for upstairs, and then I have a cordless for my tile. So I'll show you those really quickly. I love my Shark. So I love my Shark vacuums. Like I said, I have one downstairs. I have a different model upstairs. It's also a Shark. We did end up pulling the plug head off, and so my husband replaced it. He just went to Lowe's and got a new plug head for it. But when they say, you know, Dyson never loses suction, I honestly believe, because I have pets, that at some point it just didn't work as good. The newest tool and newest love to my, you know, arsenal of cleaning supplies is my Shark cordless vac. This is my new guy, and I absolutely love this thing. It cuts down my cleaning time so much because I can use this to clean all of my tile. And I just go ahead and I vacuum up all my tile, and then I'll come over here to my mop and I will mop it up, or I'll use my little spray mop. I guess I should show you my little spray mop that I purchased also, that's kind of handy. But this is also Shark. It comes with 1 battery, and I ended up making a purchase and doing a second battery because this really only lasts about 20 minutes. But on QVC, and I'll link it below, they have this vacuum with 2 batteries. And honestly, you need 2 batteries because if you're doing like a good clean and you're cleaning around, you can use it to vacuum on your carpet also. It's gonna run out. So you don't wanna like wait for it to charge back up because you know you're in the middle of cleaning. You just pop the second battery in and you're good to go. So this is my new baby and I love it. I use it every day practically. Clean up any kind of mess, especially because I have pets and kids. There's messes always. I purchased this off of Amazon and it comes with a window cleaner, and then you just undo it. So then you just put this on and you have your mop head. So it's interchangeable. You can do a, you know, your window cleaner with your squeegee, or you can do your mop head. And I purchased several pads. So anytime I use this, I will throw it in the washing machine, separate from everything else, of course. And I will, you know, start with a brand new mop head. I really enjoy this. You just squeeze the handle right here and it sprays out some spray. So like if you have a little minor mess, like if I feel like, you know, especially in the kitchen, it always seems to be dirty somehow, like we've just, you know, made a little mess as we're cooking, and I'll come in here and I'll, you know, vacuum my floor, and then I will spray this with the mop head and I'll do a real quick cleaning. And I just feel like my house has become so much more clean with several of these tools. So the Shark is a little more expensive. It's an investment. This was not expensive at all. And I just feel like these investments, you know, save time because I'm able to clean my house a lot faster. I'm not sitting here all day cleaning because it used to take me a long time to clean this house. And now I can get it done, you know, fairly easy in a couple of hours. It's cut down my cleaning time, and it's just given me peace of mind, and it's given me, you know, more time for my kids or relaxation or whatever. One last thing. Last thing I wanted to talk about really quickly is these magic erasers. I had these things around my house for a very long time and I never used them. And then I started watching cleaning videos and I was like, wait a minute, they just use that on their oven. I'm gonna test that out. And sure enough, I wet the eraser, went inside, wiped the glass down, and it took all that scum like that gets into your oven. A lot of people say, well, I have a self-cleaning oven and all that. Okay, well, that's great. But you have to really, you know, heat your house to do that. And sometimes after you heat your house, then you go in there and a lot of times you have the white powdered residue left behind that you still have to clean up. So this is really easy. You just wet it and you go in there and you wipe it, and it's awesome. It's also really good for someone who has soap scum, like on their bathroom shower, their doors, their windows, or their glass. You can use this to clean that up also. It's really good to get scuffs out, or it's a really convenient little thing. And I didn't start using it until probably about 6 months ago after I started getting into, or maybe like 4 months ago after I started getting into cleaning videos, and I saw people using it and I'm like, hey, I have those lying around, let me try it out. So that's the last thing I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any cleaning supplies that you think that I need to try out, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these tips, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.